Please check description for ingredients. Cut chicken breasts in half. Season chicken pieces with salt and black pepper. In a large skillet, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Keep the heat on medium-high. When oil is hot enough, adding chicken pieces to skillet. Season the other side of chicken pieces with salt and black pepper. Adding 1 teaspoon of butter will enhance the flavor. Fry chicken pieces until they are golden brown. Remove chicken pieces and start cooking quinoa. Adding 3 cups of chicken broth to 3 cups of quinoa. Bring it to a simmer. Use the same skillet you cooked chicken pieces. Adding sun-dried tomato. Adding tomato paste. Caramelizing tomato paste and sun-dried tomato for a few minutes. Adding a teaspoon of crushed pepper. Adding chopped garlic. Adding 2 cups of chicken broth. Checking on quinoa. At this point, adding chopped celery and carrots and mix well. Cut some basil to add to the sauce. Adding a teaspoon dry oregano. Give the sauce a good mix. Adding 2 cups of spinach to the sauce. Stirring sauce, well, so spinach become part of mixture. Adding a half cup of cream and mix well. Next, adding zest of a lemon. Return the chicken pieces into sauce. Season quinoa by adding salt and black pepper to taste. Adding a handful of raisin into quinoa and mix well. Dinner is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you.